Thank you so much. You're most welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Spice Diana Birungo. Ekirungo kyekyo kika tuddamu kika ekirungo kyekyo ekirungo kyekyo. I'm very happy to be here today. Atenga Sirinzeka. I want to thank all the media personalities, TV Zenjaulo, bloggers, my YouTubers, everyone that has made it here. Thank you so much. Team Spice Diana Boda Boda, Bapelekede Kuvawaka. They were like Spice together now. My Spice gadgets, thank you so much. Akalulu kankawulide. So first and foremost, I would like to thank Star Times for, we are very many artists in the country. Naye okulonda Spice. Ate nange bwe nakiwulira, I was very touched because I deal with the audience, I deal with Ugandans, and anything that is Ugandan is my thing. And people that watch all these channels bonna bafani bafe we batulabira. This is where our music, content waffe bwe tukola kwegamba, being part of this as an artist is something really, really amazing. And I'm very happy, looking forward to, the many months yetugenda okubanga tutambula together with Makula Chika. Ate ebirungo mbina si bya kunoonya kwegamba mwahitinze jackpot. I'll do my best because I love what I do with so much passion. Because when bankolagana ne family yange now, Makula Chika is my family. And when I'm dealing with that, I don't do it like just business. It's family and it's part of me. When you see Chika, Makula Chika, just think about Spice Diana. Just like you wear that reflector, because Spice Diana, you brand your boda as Spice Diana, Buliwoita Spice Diana. The same thing Chimbamukola Makula Chika. Because now when you see Makula Chika, that's Spice Diana. In a channel, in Pia Egenaba Kevin Tuminji, Abanyumira comment. If you've seen me acting, because that's my other thing. Before music, I thought in Jakubera Muzanyiwa movies, and I'm happy that right now Sobolo Chukozisa and is taking me places to do my content. So you never know, you might see some of my content kumakula chika. So you guys have been asking me about Beredene. So you never know, you might see more of Beredene on Makula Chika. Just take a channel 229 over 493. Echintu chela chendi very happy about is this is a job opportunity. Kubanga katiani abadde amanyi nti mutoro anafuna program jakolako ku TV. I'm happy for you, and I'm sure banji bagenda kufuna omukisa guneeno kubanga TikTok ezze naye okifunyemu ki. Tukola content omufunyemu ki. So I'm very happy because we know the TikTokers abakola YouTube content bafunye omukisa nti Makula Chika ezze okubanga ate content wawaka local content. Kitegeeza bajjako era nkya bagambe Alani Close olaba otya bwe tutuula ne tuwogera content ne tukuwayo ku ssente ne tumulaga ku Makula Chika. Bane mukikubireko engalo ez'amaanyi. Buli ali eyo nga content creator Phoebe, I'm sure you're here today. Okolabu content, obuntubo, and you're very talented in that area. This is a very big opportunity. I'm happy that we have this channel. Please support it. Nze wendinyo. And then we have an ongoing challenge, and I want you guys to participate. I thank all my fans, the Spice Gadgets that have already participated. We have more than 200 videos plus in just like 2 days. That's quite amazing. Remember, we have so much to win. Twina official video. Atemo manye byange, when it comes to video kati sizanya video tujukolangi malayo. So winner ba challenge yo bagenda bera part of the video, bagenda bera official video. And then there is free goodies to win. Twina TV set number nga nene bwet screen bwaguga omuwanguzi agenda vaawo naye zina buzinyi mazina ku ka challenge kolimba for Chika, and then you stand a chance to be with us ku journey. So ebisinga ndoza byogeddwa. I'm just very happy to be here. This is a very, very big thing for me Spice Diana kubanga nkolagana ne Star Times, such a very big banange no company si ya muzanyo. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm happy that ebinene bikwataganye n'ebinene, so expect ebintu ebyakabi byokka ebikka byokka. So thank you so much guys, and buli azze wano leero mukama bawo omukisa. Support the channel, ginoonyeeko bwe tuva waneeno buli omu mugambe about Makula Chika nti ye channel eriko ebinyuma engambo entertainment. Oyagala omanya ku Spice Diana biki byaliko, si biri eri ebyokuvoola abantu, nedda bino bisengejjemu, cause Chika yo eri very professional. The reason why I joined Makula Chika is because of the Spice gadgets. Mbasakire ekisinga. I want the best for you guys. Njagala mulabe channel entuufu ezirina ebintu ebirungi nga Makula Chika. When I got to know ebintu ebigenda okubeera ku Makula Chika, I was like, I'm in for this. Ebirungo ebirimu ate nga nange nze birungo ate nga mbagaliza birungo byerere. So just nga babanyonyodde ebintu ebisinga ebigenda okuba ku channel oba ebiri ku channel eno byebimu ku bintu ebyampushing to be part of this, because channel yanjawulo, ebirungo bigenda kuba byanjawulo ate it's local content ate nga tuli waka kisinga obukulu. Wange ngali mu content nzija wano ku Star Times bagay bannange ani kuluzi munyigaawo mu kusente bintu bye birabike, sigenda leka muntu n'omu. So tugenda geja ffenna kubanga tulina channel yasinga obunene saawa zineeno, era we kabanga tekali mu video TV towangula naye nga kano kategeeza Chika Chika muze mu bukola akola lumu, naye kino kyanjawulo Chika nawe okiraba era bwoba banga akanyigaawo bw'otolabe ako Chika. So that's the meaning of it. Well. That is a good question, by the way. Manyi Uganda abantu balwawo okukkiriza mu bintu balowooza buli kimu kya muzannyo. But let me tell you, it all starts with us. Mmwe bennyini abali wano kankubuulira okola conference ng'eno no inviting aba media ne batajja, naye kati mwe muzze. One reason why I get all these endorsements is because of you, aba media. Era msoke mwekubire mu ngalo mbabuulira. Sina company gye nkoze nayo, and you guys have not been part of this. You're always there. Mufuna content yono ne mutwala that noise. Ne mugamba nti Spice kye yekola eri Star Times eno Makula Chika. So when you do that for me, the next time ne company ndala oba omuntu yenna yandagadde okukola ne Spice amanya nti tulina enkolagana weewaawe ekola ki ennungi, because it's not even about the money but the relationship we have, Spice Diana and the media. Kubanga nyinza obanga n'abamu abazze wano sina gwe ngenda kuwadde 10. That's the truth. Naye ng'ate waliwo yazze okukola era kituufu, naye ng'ate asalawo n'agamba ngenda kukolera mu environment Spice Diana mwali wanje bayitayo nga bagenda bawa ssente ne mutagenda. So bw'ojja wa Spice ne tubeera mu kintu kino ffenna tutambula babiri. That is one. Ekyokubiri, I think ekintu kino nga mukirabye nti bazze bakizimba Chika birungo kyekyo, tosobola lowooza ku kirungo mu Uganda n'otagalira ewalala, yina kujja wa Spice Diana. Kitegeeza ojja nga already omanyi kyoyagala. Sometimes people know what they want. Muntu ajjawa artist nga naye amanyi nti bwe tukwatagana ndi this big ne Spice ajja tugattako naffe tumugatteko, aba amanyi kyayagala, tasobola kumala gatomera ate tosobola mutomera nga tali ready for you. Era ne bonga nti nze nga Spice I want to work with Star Times when they are not ready to work with you, it might not make sense, because tetuli wano kuyisa bivulu. We are here for something very big and important, because to representing abantu bangi nnyo ate eno channel nga babagambe it's a big platform, so tebayinza kukola nsobi kugenda wantu nga bamanyi gye bagenda tebagenda funayo kibagala oba kibasuubira. So ekintu ekyo mbu okuzigira ddiiru tebakikulimba muganda wange, omuntu ajja ng'amanyi kyayagala. So it all starts with my gadgets, for the support, for the love, nti buli kye tukwatako kitambula. When the media is with me, you guys, it means a lot. Tiwe tulanga akantu konna ne ngamba Spice nfiirawo nanga kano, ojja sanga nga munnamawulire aliyo naye akakutteko n'agamba Spice waba kalanze nange kankongereyo. So mbebaliza nnyo, mbebaliza ddala cause tutambulira wamu si kikola nzeka. And of course my management, it is very hard working. Oba ne companies no ne mukolagana bingi ebita going all right. naye bagezaako nnyo okubeera very professional n'okukola ekyo kye batusuubiramu omuntu okujja okwesiga naga netise spice okumwesiga okubeera part of Star Times. It's a big brand, so oyina ebikolwa byo n'abantu engeri gye weeyisaamu gye bali, it's very important, which we are trying to do. Yadde nga tuli mu era gye mumanyi ebitali byangu, ono ayisaawo ekiki, ono akweteekako kino, ono akasukira kiri, but all in all, real is real.
Akajombere kakuseewako kinkumu. Ekirungo kyekyo hand over.
Station manager.
Chika. Our media friends, you're all most welcome to Star Times. This afternoon, we are celebrating the birth, not of Jesus, but the birth of a new baby. And the most important, the partnership we have with our new ambassador, Spice Diana Makula. Without wasting time, because we started late, I will invite Star Times Vice President, Mr. Audrey Nsoga Senior, to give us his remarks, tell us about this evening, what is happening for us we don't know as media people. So Mr. Audrey Nsoga, you're most welcome, and the floor is yours.
Isma. Good afternoon, everyone. You're all welcome to Star Times headquarters for a very important event. Why are we here? Some of you, if not all of you, have been following and you know about a Star Times channel called Makula. As we speak, the channel which was launched last year is the #1 channel on not just Star Times, but one of the top 3 among Signet or free-to-air TVs. The success of this channel has been so huge. Channel eyagaddwa abalabi aba buli kika, si wano wokka mu Kampala, naye eggwanga lyonna okulyetooloola. Olunaku olwaleero, emu ku nsonga ezituleese ye success ya channel eyo gye tuyise Makula, kubanga nate olwaleero ezadde omwana. Oyinza ogiyita muganda waayo oba omwana, kisinzira ku bw'okiraba. Today we are launching a new channel which is a sister to Makula. The channel is called Makula Chika. I think it's worth celebrating. It couldn't have been possible if it hadn't been for the success of Makula. But now we think it has given birth to a new audience, and we need now to grow even stronger. The reason we're here, even more than that, is because for this channel to be a success, It wasn't by accident that we called it Makula Chika. Chika kitegeeza the concentration is stronger, it's more. Mwabafumba oba balya ku mmere buli bw'oyongeramu ekirungo ng'ofumba era oli bw'alya agamba naye mwataddemu kaki mwongeddemu ki kiba kirungo ekirungo bwe kibanga kika n'emmere evuddemu enveevu ezivuddemu era okulya era ogamba kye mwafumbisizza kye mwatabuddemu kika. Ekika ky'amakula kyajja lwakuba success ya channel Makula, the success I've just told you about, led us to believe if we can make that channel even better, then we might have even a better version of Makula, which is already successful. So we are launching a channel that we believe is adding more to an already successful channel. Spice Diana, Edolinya, Muyimbi, Mwebuza, Cat Star Times, the Spice, Bakwata Ganirawa. Star Times, we are in the entertainment business. We are in the entertainment industry. Our business is TV content. We produce content, we show content. That's where we make our money. That's our day-to-day business. Spice Diana is a musician, one of the top musicians in this country. In fact, as far as I'm concerned, the musicians in her age bracket, in her era, she has to be the number one. It's the only reason we went for her, because Star Times is the number one pay TV in the country. We are the leading pay television in the country. We command a market share of at least 60%. That's big, that's huge. What we needed is the leading entertainer who, as far as music is concerned, to make this thing work. Two of the best coming together to launch what we think is going to be a fantastic channel. Spice kitegeeza kirungo. Those of you who have been following in the last week, you must have seen some things going on. You must have seen Spice posting some things, introducing a challenge. Today you were moving about, you saw on the roundabout, you saw something to do with Spice in terms of her picture, but also a kirungo kyecho. So now start to understand the link. On the marketing side, we believed, how great would it be if Spice nyini kirungo lyerinya nyini kirungo yegatta ku ffe naye ate ffe n'abeera ambasada waffe n'atambuza omumuli gwa channel gye bayita Makula Chika. How about that combination? She's beautiful, she's a sellout, she appeals to everyone, she's funky, she's vibrant, she loves what she does, she appeals to everyone. Spice wagenda mbana bato mulaba bwe bamuwuganira wonna wabeera, but more than that, Spice kyasinga ba artists abamu abakyala. Spice buli wamu ajaawo akubawo ate abeerawo. Spice tayawula. Kyekyo lwaki ayagalibwa abantu ab'enjawulo ku mwana omutongo ono, kuba nze musajja mukulu. Bw'abanga yategeera nnyo industry ne business n'akimanya nti bwe mbanga ndi mu industry eno abantu bonna n'ebifo byonna nina obibeeramu n'embijaamu, omwana abamanyi kyaliko. yensonga lwaki twasalawo nti guno gwe muli ogusinga ogenda okutambuza ekintu kyaffe ekya Makula Chika. So today we are going to witness the official launch of Spites Diana as the official Star Times ambassador for our channel Makula Chika. We are going to sign a contract which you are going to witness. Henceforth, when you see Spice Diana, for you who is here, and please go and project that message. When you see Spice, think of Makula Chika, because Spice is what it's about. This channel has more than what has been found in Makula. So that is the reason we are here. We think it's a big deal, and I thank all of you who have made it. You are so many. That's the issue. Spice is big, and we are big. So we deserve this. We deserve this attention and coverage. So thank you very much for coming. And please, after today, go and tell people that this whole Makula Chika thing is about Spice Diana. And later, I'm sure, she's also going to give us a snippet into that beautiful song that she has come up with to praise Makula Chika. So thank you very much. Now, I have to go ahead and hand over the microphone to my colleague, Kenneth.
Good afternoon. The idea of this channel started as early as last year, because when we launched Kazanyo, because they are both Makula. One is Makula Kazanyo, and another is Makula Chika. Now, when we launched Kazanyo, it peaked in the first 3 months and went in the top 3. We launched it in June, and by October we were celebrating success. So we knew through 2 sources that we needed to add another channel. One of the sources was feedback from the public. Very strongly, there was a huge feedback telling us what they were missing. Although this channel is good, but can you please do this? The temptation was to redesign the programming of Makula, and we said no, that's not the good thing. If this one has been a success, let's keep it, but let's think of another channel to address the gaps that had been identified by the subscribers and viewers. And so, what are these gaps? Remember, Kazanyo is what it is, series after series. We don't have news, we don't have music, we don't have any other thing, we just have series after series. And so, there were gaps of people asking for, why don't you also give us movies? And there were genuine demands. There were gaps of people saying, why don't you also give us some comedy, some local comedy? And that is a genuine demand. There are also people who are saying, but we want some entertainment news, what most of you call gambo or gossip. But it's entertainment news. So there were these demands, and of course more of drama, that we needed to address and address them urgently. And so that's when we started thinking of another channel. And so this channel can address exactly those gaps. On this channel we shall have local comedy. On this channel we shall have movies, African movies. And many of you also want to call it Nigeria. We also have entertainment news and many others, but those will be the lead. And so this channel was designed to address a female-skilled audience, which is predominant. The audience is predominantly female, but a lot of large presence for male. In other words, approximately 60-40. But we also think that it is addressing a down-to-earth, low urban viewer. Because these people are the ones who actually demanded for it. Can we have this? Can we have that? We also, you'll find that this channel is going to be Luganda. We shall use Luganda as a language. So, this is the channel that we have designed for you. It is a mix. It's not one thing that the other channel was. This is a mix of different things, and that therefore defines further what my colleague Senior was saying. It's a mix of different spices, and therefore we came up with a combination of that set of ingredients that will also be a winning audience. But I also want to confirm that this channel can be found on channel 229 for those who are using the antenna system. It can also be found on channel 493 for those who are using the dish or the satellite system. And so they are going to switch on that channel for us later so that we can have a test of it. But I want to kind of reiterate what my senior colleague was saying. The choice of spice was not at all by accident. If you associate with her, you'll understand that one of the strongest ingredients that she has is popular humility. Popular humility. Now, I don't know how they call that in Uganda. You are popular, but you are very humble, down-to-earth person. When you deal with her, you even forget that you're dealing with a star. And yet she's a very popular person. Sometimes you're like, hey, okay, I'm dealing with spice. You just have to remind yourself later, because when she's handling her issues, she's very different from many of the people that we're used to in our country here. So I want to take this opportunity to really thank Spice Diana for being what you are as a character, for being a hardworking woman. She's very hardworking, by the way. And she's a natural. When you're working with her, she's a natural. You don't have to work so hard to get her to do what you want her to come up with. But most importantly, for accepting to work with StarTimes.
Want to steal Spice's thunder. She'll be the last. Just to give you a snippet of what this channel is about, we've got to make you see that Spice is the crowning, but we have some stars you are going to be seeing on this channel. And we have a few of them around, because you need to understand, Spice is not just joining anything. No, she's in the company of superstars. That's what she is. So let me ask a few of our stars who are around, some of the programs you are going to be watching. Please come in front. Poco Poco, Motoro, Chirabo. These talents, I'm sure when you see them, as soon as you look at them, you'll recognize them instantly. Motoro for one, who cannot recognize Motoro when you see? Miss Uganda, for those of you who really were a part of the journey, she was one of the outstanding Miss Ugandas. And then, of course, look at her, Anne Chirabo, the star that you've seen all over movies and all. Now, these represent just some of the key players you are going to be seeing in our shows and in programs that you will be seeing. So there you are. It's a team of stars. It's in the company of stars. This is what Makula Chika is about. Thank you very much, Motoro, Chirabo, and obviously
for those of you that have been in media with me, I can see all of you, Mako here, Rachel, you guys, thank you so much, but please support Makula. We have a buffet. Mugenda kulia mukute musigalenga muchalia. We have a lineup for this channel, and you guys are going to enjoy. Thank you so much for supporting Spice, and thank you for supporting Star Times. We never disappoint.
Yes, but you have to remember that Star Times has over 200 channels, and the addition of channels is not just a ceremony or an occasion. It is about filling in gaps that we feel our subscribers have. And so the gap that you've identified of the Ugandan music, we have a fully fledged Ugandan music channel called Face TV, and it's only on Star Times. So it would beat our purpose if we again competed with our own channel, which is Face TV. So what we're going to do, from what you've said, I think we're going to put more emphasis and promotion on Face TV so that even you, Matovu, can get to know about it. But it is 100% Ugandan music. We don't air any other music. Thank you. On the side of drama, we have fronted what I've shared with you. Yes, we shall have drama, but that's not our lead content. Our lead content is what I've shared with you: comedy, African movies, and entertainment news. So we have a channel which is fully fledged for drama. We shall have 1 or 2 dramas here, but it's not what we focus on. And yes, we are not planning to deplete the audiences on Makula Kazanyo. We have done our programming in a way that we are filling a gap. We are not eating into the audiences of this other channel. But again, you have to remember this is a pay TV platform, so you have to address needs of every particular subscriber with the different channels that you have. So when you have a channel which has a series of dramas, then you know that that need is covered. So you go for another need which is not covered. So this channel has not come to address the need of dramas, no. Because there's already a channel for that. I don't know whether I've answered it. On which bouquet? It is on the Nova bouquet, the lowest bouquet that we have. And so you will need the usual subscription, and yes, even the weekly. For those of you who don't know, we have a daily subscription, weekly and monthly. So for those who want to watch it even today, you can subscribe, and if you don't have enough money, you can subscribe for 1 day. But that has been a practice that we have kept. Thank you once again.
Okay, business, especially marketing, mulimu chetuita fundamental principles. Nga nekitayogeddwa kiba kyogeddwa, nekitawandiikibwa kiba kiwandiikibwa. Spice kasitafuuka brand ambassador wa Makula Chika, meaning owa Star Times. Kitegeeza nti business yonna erimu space ya TV. Ffe tuli mu pay TV. Mu space ya TV, pay TV, abatasobola gikolera mulimu gwegumu. Mulimu ki? Ogwa ambassador oba ogurepresentinga brand ezo mu ngeri yonna. Ambassadorial role. Kyetusooka okumanyira kyetumanyi ekyamutwagaza. She's an entertainer. She's a musician. That's what she does for a living. Content wa Spice tayinza kwewalibwa media space yonna, because that's what she does. So okubeera ambassador wa Star Times tekimugana kuyimba music we kutambula nga wadde atambula, kola interviews kwoyo yenagala omukolako interview. She is Spice Diana. Interviews ne bamukyaza n'akola ebyo mu mirimu gye, because gwe mulimu gwe tekikwataganako na mulimu gwa ambassador. Obwa ambassador kitegeeza nti tayinza mu butongole kukiikirira represent to to stand in as though she is representing another brand in a capacity of brand promotion, for instance. So bw'omulaba nga waliwo news item, entertainment news, Spice ayogera ku bintu ebya bulijjo, togamba ate ambassador wa Times akola ki ku Sanyuka oba akola ki ku NTV. Kyewandibadde ogamba mbu tosuubira mulaba, for instance, ku billboard, ku poster, mu kalango akakoleddwa kampuni eri mu business y'emu gye tukola. Business yaffe ki? PTV. Abali mu PTV mbamanyi. Kakati gwe bateeke wansi bawandiika bali mu PTV. Betukontana nabo mu business eno ey'okusasulira. Abala free to air by its nature, era mawulire ga Spice kwe gatambulira era galina okutambula. Ndowooza nkize bulungi. So tokyeraliikirira, Spice asigala ng'ali independent, asigala ng'akola emirimu gye, era mujja mubange bibadde mulaba. Kye mugenda kyokka okulaba nti ate ku Star Times ajja kusukka nnyo, wakati naye ajja kikola nga kimulimulimu nnyo nnyini bw'alina okutukola ki? Okututunda nga ambasada waffe. Kasipeni kitegerekesa.